this is Shauna of the Shauna Method, and I am here with a weekly habit to help you get and stay organized. And this habit is to weekly pay your bills. Bill paying is something that can be done anytime. Bills come in every day, whether they are digital or paper. Most people are able to pay at least some of their bills online now, so what used to be largely a checkbook, envelope, stamp job has become more of an online login password job. But regardless, it's a good idea to set aside one time a week when you will pay bills. The challenge with paying bills as they come is that we tend to forget what we've paid and what we haven't. We can feel a little scattered. So if you say, I will pay bills every week at this time, again, pick a day that works for you. Friday afternoon, Saturday morning, Sunday at 2, whatever works for you, and say that's the time when I will pay all my bills. And this is also a good time if you have set up auto pay for some of your bills to look at your online accounts and confirm that everything has been paid as you expect. Great time to check your balances and look for anything that might be off as well. There's a lot of identity theft, so this is a good time to just take a glance and make sure everything looks as it should be. If you still do get paper bills, you can corral them in a location called Bills to Pay, a folder, a bin, a shelf, and then when your weekly bill paying time arrives, gather anything that's there, pay your paper bills, pay your online bills, and check your accounts. Having a time that you know you will be paying bills takes the pressure off feeling like you should be paying them all the time. And it also helps to make sure that no bill ever slips through the cracks.